Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your HSA bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar type in hsabank.com and click on enter. Now you will be directed to official homepage of HSA Bank. At the top right corner you can see a login button. Click on it. Now a login page will appear where you can type in your username. You can check this box if you want to remember your username on this browser. Now click on next button. Now type in your password. After typing in your password, click on sign in button to log into your HSA bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to reset it. Or if you have forgotten your username, click on this link. Or if you want to make a new account, click on this link and follow the procedure to create a new HSA bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.